Hi, this is Radha from MBA department. I am working as an assistant professor in BBC Institute of Technology and Science. Today, I would like to discussing about project evaluation review techniques, PET. Okay, so in the previous class we have to discussing about CPM, critical path method. So today we would like to discussing about project evaluation review techniques related sums. Okay, so let us coming to the problem. A small project is composed of 7 activities as given below. Okay, so a small project is composed of 7 activities. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So 7 activities, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 activities as given below. At the same time, okay, they are giving optimistic time TO, most likely time TM, pessimistic time TP. What is an optimistic time? What is most likely time? What is pessimistic time? Okay, so first we have to discussing about optimistic time TO. Optimistic time. So optimistic time means when all the situations are favorable. Okay, when all the situations are favorable to perform an activity. Okay, so to perform an activity. So when an activity will be completed early, when activity will be completed early is called as optimistic time. Okay, next, most likely time. So most likely time, okay, denoted TM. Okay, so most likely time means in maximum cases. So in maximum cases to perform an activity. Okay, to perform an activity from condition may be favorable whereas unfavorable. Okay, so in that most likely time, when all the situations are favorable whereas unfavorable. So next, pessimistic time TP. So pessimistic time, when all the situations are unfavorable to perform an activity is called as pessimistic time. Okay, so next, draw a network diagram. Okay, we first one, draw a network diagram, and second one, identify the critical path, and third one, find the project duration in days, and next one, calculate EST and LFT. EST, earliest starting time. Okay, so LFT, least finishing time. Okay, so start the solution. So activity 1 to 2. So already giving optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time. Optimistic time, okay, 1 1 7 1 2 1 2 2 and 3 1 4 2 1 5 6 6 7 7 8 1 14 10 15. Okay, so first of all, we have to using these 3 time: optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time. Okay, we have to use these 3 times, and we have to calculate the estimated time. Estimated time TE is equal to TO plus 4TM plus TP by 6. This is the formula. Optimistic time plus 4 times of most likely time plus pessimistic time divided by 6. We have to use this formula and calculate estimated time in each and every activity. Okay, we have to calculate the estimated time in each and every activity. So formula, T is equal to, okay, T naught 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 7 divided by 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Okay, the estimated time T is equal to 2 days. Okay, next 1 plus 4 into 4 plus, okay, 7 divided by 6. 1 plus 4 into 4, 16. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 16, 17. 17 plus 7, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Okay, next 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 8 divided by 6. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Okay, so next 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 6. 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Okay, next 2 plus 4 into 5 plus 14 divided by 6. Okay, 4 5s or 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 14, 36 divided by 6 equal to 6. Next 2 plus 4 into 6 plus 10 divided by 6. 2 plus 4 6 or 24. 24, 26 and 36 by 6 is equal to 6. Next 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 15 divided by 6. 3 plus 24. 3 plus 24, 27. 27 plus 15, 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. Okay, so calculate the estimated time. Next we have to draw a network diagram. Okay, network diagram. Network diagram. Okay, one performing 3 activities. Already we have to discussing in critical path method 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. What is the difference between CPM and PERT? So in that CPM directly giving time, in that PERT not giving directly time. Okay, they are giving 3 times: optimistic time, most likely time and pessimistic time. We have to using these 3 times we have to calculate the estimated time. Okay, so that is the difference between critical path method and project evaluation review methods problems. Okay, so remaining methods are same. Okay, network diagram. So network diagram is the same, project duration is the same, and critical path is the same, and earliest starting time and least finishing time. Okay, one performing 3 activities, and 2 to 5, 3 to 5, and 4 to 5, and 5 to 6. Okay, so we have to find out the estimated time. 1 to 2, 2, and 1 to 3, 4, and 1 to 4, 3, 2 to 5, 1, and 3 to 5, 6, 4 to 5, 6, and 5 to 6, 7. Okay, next we have to find critical path. We have to calculate critical path. Path 1. Okay, path 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6. Path 2, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. Path 3, 1 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. One to 2, 2 plus 1 plus 7, 4 plus 6 plus 7, and 3 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, 10 days. 6 plus 4 10, 17, and 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 17, 16 days. What is the maximum time? 17 is the maximum time. Okay, 10 17 16 17 is the maximum time. So critical path is path 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 3, 3 to 5. This is the critical path. So the critical path indicated double-ended arrow. Next we have to find the project duration in days. So project duration in days is equal to project duration in days is equal to which is the maximum time? 17. So this is the project duration in days, 17 days. Okay, next we have to calculate the earliest starting time and least finishing time. First of all, earliest time E1 equal to 0. So why? Because in that starting time it doesn't consume any time and resources. Okay, E1 equal to 0. Next, E2 is equal to E2. The arrow comes from the head of the arrow comes from 1, means E1 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Next we have to calculate E3. E1 plus 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Next E4. E1 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Next find out E5. So in that 5 having 3 head of the arrows. Okay, so in any activity having 1 or more head of the arrows, we are considering maximum of, okay, maximum of one of the arrow comes from 2 and another arrow comes from 3 and another arrow comes from 4. So because E2 plus 1 comma E3 plus 6 comma E4 plus 6, E1 plus, okay, E2 plus 1 comma E2 plus 1 comma E3 plus 6 comma E4 plus 6. Okay, maximum of, already we are finding E2, E3, E4, okay, E2 2 plus 1 comma E3 4 plus 6 comma E4 3 plus 6. Maximum of 3 comma 10 comma 9, which is the maximum value? 10. So we are taking 10. E5. Next we have to calculate E6. So in that E6 the arrow comes from 5. E5 plus 7. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17 days. Okay, so critical path also having 17 days and E6 value is also 17 days. So in that solution we have to remember E1 equal to L1, En is equal to Ln. So En means E6 equal to 17. So we have to take L6 is equal to 17. Okay, least time L6. Next, so this is the backward direction. Okay, so earliest values we have to take the forward direction, and least values we have to take the backward direction. So forward direction 1 to 6 and backward direction 6 to 1. So 5. Next we have to calculate L5. L5 is equal to, so in that backward direction we are considering tail of the arrow. Okay, so tail of the arrow, the tail of the arrow, okay, the tail of the arrow comes from 6, L6. So backward direction we are considering minus values, L6 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. Next we have to calculate L4. L4, the arrow comes from L5, L5 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Next L3, L5 minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Next we have to find out L2. L5 minus 1 equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Next we have to calculate L1. So in that L1 having one or more tail of the arrows, so we have to considering minimum values, minimum of the one of the tail of the arrow comes from L2, L2 minus 2 comma L3 minus 4 comma L4 minus 3. So first L2 minus 2 comma L3 minus 4 comma L4 minus 3. Minimum of L2 9 minus 2 comma L3 4 minus 4 comma L4 4 minus 3. Minimum of 7 comma 0 comma 1, which is the minimum value 0. Okay, L1 equal to 0. So note, what is the note? E1 equal to L1. E1 we are taking, E1 equal to 0. We are finding L1. Okay, L1 equal to 0. E1 equal to L1. Okay, En 17 and Ln 17. Okay, so this is the right answer. Next we have to calculate EST and LFT. Okay, EST, LFT. Okay, EST and LFT. So EST, so in that tabular form, EST, earliest starting time. So these are the starting values and these are the finishing values. So starting, earliest starting time, so earliest E1, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Least finishing values L2, L3, L4, L5, 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 L6. Okay, so in that EST we are considering left values. Okay, starting values. E1 1 to 2 activity, E1 is the starting, and E1 and E1, E2, E3, E4 and E5. Okay, least L2, L3, L4, L5, 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 L6. Already we are finding these values. Okay, E1 equal to 0, E1 equal to 0, E1 equal to 0. E2 already we are finding. E2 value 2, E3 4, and E4 3, E5 10. Okay, least L2. So L2 is equal to 9, L3 is equal to 4. Okay, L4 is equal to 4, L5 is equal to 10. So 10, 10. L6 equal to 17. These are the earliest values and least finishing values. Thank you.